If your Niagara particles disappear like this, you are probably using the GPU system, and we can fix it this way. Click on your particles, scroll down here and find debug, and under the debug you can also pause your particles or speed it down, but we want to find the bounds. Show system bounds, and as you can see here, the red cube, if we see the red cube we see the particles, if we don't see the cube we don't see the particles, and that's the fixed bounds in Niagara. So click on our particle system, double click to open it, click here, and under the GPU simulation particles we need to scale up the fixed bounds. So let's change the number to higher number, compile and save, and now we see the red cube is much more bigger, so also the particles will not be disappearing in the same view as before. And now we can also close this window, so you see we fixed our issue.